What began as a debate on campus has now turned into a nationwide confrontation. The UGC's new equity guidelines have triggered protests, political pushback and legal scrutiny, with upper caste groups calling the rules biased, while the government insists that adequate safeguards are in place. With the issue now before the Supreme Court and opinions in fact sharply divided, several questions need answering. Has the UGC's equity test become selective rather than a tool for social justice? And amidst the backlash, what next? Will the centre now review the rules or roll them back? Before I bring in the guests, here's what happened today. In fact, the Education Minister had put out a clarification that he will ensure and the government will ensure that there is no misuse of the law. The question then is that is this really selective social justice? How should this be seen? Let's first look at this report.
चाहे तिल लो या ताड़ लो राजा, राय लो या पहाड़ लो राजा, मैं अभागा सवर्ण हूँ मेरा, रोया रोया उखाड़ लो राजा. These lines from late poet Ramesh Ranjan seem to echo the mood of the moment. Across the country, upper caste groups and students are up in arms against the UGC's new guidelines on discrimination. They are calling them biased, one-sided and dangerous.
काले कानून को तुरंत वापस लिया जाए. हमारी मांग ये नहीं है कि इसमें संशोधन किया जाए, इसको वापस लिया जाए.
क्या गलत नहीं है इस बिल में, ये बताइए. मतलब इससे पहले आपने SC/ST एक्ट लाया, इसका अपग्रेडेड वर्जन एक तरह से. मतलब छात्र अब डर के इस विश्वविद्यालय में पढ़ेगा.
क्या सवर्ण छात्र छात्र नहीं कोई आतंकवादी है? और फिर विश्वविद्यालय की ये वो परिपाटी है, विश्वविद्यालय की वो पावन धारा है जहां आप विद्या के मंदिर में विद्या के आधार पे छात्रों को बांटने का काम कर रहे हैं.
What began as a campus debate has now spilled onto the streets and into politics, triggering protests, sharp reactions and even resignations. The pushback has reached the ruling party itself. Several BJP leaders from upper caste communities have voiced displeasure, with some local leaders even stepping down from party positions.
Roll back, roll back. UGC, roll back.
The matter has also reached the top court, with the PIL challenging the regulations, arguing they may violate constitutional principles of equality and fairness. As criticism mounts, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has reassured. He says there will be no discrimination and that the law cannot be misused. He has also defended the UGC's equity regulations, claiming that adequate safeguards are in place.
किसी को उत्पीड़न होने नहीं दिया जाए, कोई भेदभाव नहीं होगा, कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के नाम पे किसी को भी मिसयूज करने का अधिकार नहीं रहेगा.
But the government isn't alone in backing the move. The Congress's student wing NSUI has welcomed the regulations, calling them a necessary step to address discrimination in higher education, while the party itself says its stand for a caste census is vindicated.
कास्ट सेंसस होना चाहिए. अगर बोले कास्ट सेंसस होगा, कास्ट सेंसस में ये सारे इश्यूज टेकअप हो जाएंगे, उसमें इसका आंसर उसमें मिल जाएगा, रिजॉल्व हो जाएंगे.
Other political parties have also extended their support.
45 में से 7 जो हैं वाइस चांसलर SC/ST OBC के, बाकी सब स्वर्ण जाति के. तो स्वर्ण जाति की संख्या क्या है और ये अनुपात क्या है, ये सामाजिक न्याय सरकार का. EWS में तो सारे सामान्य जाति के बच्चे हैं, तो फिर सामान्य जाति के बच्चों को इसका लाभ मिलेगा, तो ये सामान्य जाति के खिलाफ कैसे होगा?
Yet questions remain. If the rules are fair, why is there no upper caste representation in equity committees? Is this social justice or reverse discrimination? Has the upper caste become the new outcast? Are the new rules reopening old wounds? And most importantly, will the centre clarify its stand? As the government weighs its options, the question is now clear. What next? Review or rollback? Astha Bhardwaj, Bureau Report, India Today.
UGC, roll back, roll back, roll back.